Good morning, everyone. This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas. And today, let's go for a drive in this 2026 Acura MDX A-Spec Advance. The A-Spec Advance is the second highest trim level behind the MDX Type S Advance. The A-Spec and Advance will mix the A-Spec and Advance packages so it looks sporty, but retains all the advanced features. You have a 360-degree camera system, head-up display, massaging seats. Same engine, of course, 3.5-liter V6, 290 horsepower, 267 pound-feet of torque. All MDXs have the same transmission and engine and everything other than the Type S. I already made a video on the 2026 A-Spec if you want to look at that. And I have so many videos on MDXs, but I just get a video on every single one because there's always someone looking for each different trim level. So I'm just going to keep doing that. This touchscreen was introduced in 2025. No more touchpad. You have built-in Apple CarPlay, built-in Google Maps with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And I like how you can access the ambient lighting directly from the screen instead of having to go to a different menu. And you have the Google Maps in the gauge cluster itself, which is nice. I really love these massaging seats. They're really, really good. And these seats are what the MDX Type S seats look like from 2022 to 2024. But now the Type S has suede inserts on the bolsters, on the bottom and top cushions. So you can tell it's a little different than the ones you'll find in an Advance or A-Spec Advance. You also have the Bang & Olufsen sound system. Let's walk around this car. It's finished in platinum white pearl, black wheels on the A-Spec Advance. It looks really good with the lighter colors, with all the black contrast. The front of the car looks really aggressive. When it was facelifted last year, the front end of the A-Spec Advance and Type S's look way more aggressive than it did before. Looks more distinctive. And I really like these black wheels. It's the same wheels on an Advance, except they're blacked out. SH all-wheel drive badge on the back, and A-Spec badge, of course. A-Spec rear cargo mat. But it looks great. I just love all the black trim. I really like urban gray pearl on these newer MDXs. Yeah, platinum white, you can't really go wrong with this color. The thing is, like, if you don't need the power from a Type S or air suspension and all that stuff, the A-Spec Advance will do more than enough because it gives you the same luxury features that a Type S would have, which you couldn't get before. And the MSRP of this vehicle is probably like, it's like $5,000 less than an MDX Type S. But I just love the new generation of the MDX. I think it's awesome. I'm gonna pick up a pre-owned MDX Type S as a daily driver, and I pretty much made up my mind on that. Like when the time comes when I don't want to be driving I don't drive my M3 every day, right? I have a MDX as a secondary car, a tech package. But once I don't want that anymore, I'm just gonna get an MDX Type S pre-owned because I just love the MDX Type S because of the value it offers for the price and how uncommon it is. And yeah, one thing about these 2025 and 26 MDXs compared to the pre-facelift is the car, like the transmission definitely feels quicker. It shifts faster because, like, you know, in the facelift, it's gonna be you know, the manufacturer will tune things a little bit differently to make the car feel smoother and everything, but it definitely does feel that way. It's smoother, it's a little bit quieter for sure, but it definitely feels more refined. And obviously the biggest difference is the screen. I've never really had a problem with the touchpad, to be honest. It doesn't bother me. It's not that hard to use, in my opinion, but obviously this is easier to use. A touchscreen is always going to be easier to use than a touchpad, no matter how good the touchpad is. It's a very nice car to drive. smooth ride. I just love the flat bottom steering wheel and the smooth leather. And I love the Acura steering wheels because like the 9 and 3 gripping points are really good. You can wrap your hand around it, and your hand won't slip or anything like that. It has a very nice tactile feeling to it, which I appreciate. I just love the massaging function. I love that. You have 9 different modes for massage. I mean, the massage isn't anything crazy. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just a car massage function, but it's nice. It makes it feels good. Like, just like helps, like, you know, with blood flow and everything on your back. Just makes you feel a little more active. Because when you sit in a car for a really long time, your back might hurt after a while, but so this will definitely just keep you feeling more active while driving. It's relaxing. I really, really like it. And I think it's great how Acura put the massaging seats in the advanced package in the A-Spec Advance and didn't make it only exclusive to the Type S as it was before, so you don't have to get a Type S if you want massaging seats. You could get it in the lower trim levels. Super handling all-wheel drive is awesome too. The car feels, for a big three-row SUV, you can really drive this vehicle aggressively around corners and make sharp turns, and it'll feel very planted, which is hard to have in three-row SUVs. But super handling all-wheel drive really is amazing. Acura's all-wheel drive system is fantastic. And also the MSRP on this vehicle is $70,850. Forgot to mention that earlier. But overall, pretty standard MDX right here. Drives really good, looks really good. And the A-Spec Advance is a great way to get an advanced package that looks sporty, but you don't have to go all the way and get a Type S if you want these cool features. But overall, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own MDX.